Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? So jumping right into the hair tutorial. Today I will be using a drawstring ponytail that I received from Hergivenhair. This is a 16-inch drawstring ponytail, and it has 2 combs and of course the drawstring, and I'm just going to show you guys to apply and style it. Today I will be using products from Flora&Curl. I have their shampoo, their leave-in detangler, Flower Garden hair butter, and their superfruit hair oil. So throughout the video you'll see me kind of dipping and dabbing into products, and those are the products that I am using. I didn't use the shampoo because I just went straight in on like old, I think this was like an old wash and go or something like that. So just using the leave-in and the hair butter concentrate to detangle my hair. And once I get it detangled, we're gonna get into the parting process. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, I was gonna do just a regular middle part, but I decided to do a little zigzag action. So just kind of like starting like not the middle, but like off center, and doing like a slanted part, and then connected them. And I did it probably about 3 times to like the middle of my head to finish up or complete the whole entire zigzag. Once my part was finished, I went in with my Eco Styling Gel, the olive oil green one, and just put that throughout the part and brush the hair into a ponytail. Side note, I like to brush out my baby hairs so that I don't have to pull them back out of the ponytail once the ponytail is already put up. So I kind of just pull them out the ponytail, that way I can just deal with them in the end. So now that we have everything in a ponytail, I'm just gonna go back and detangle the ponytail a little bit and put it into one big braid, and then wrap that into a bun so that we can just go ahead and apply the drawstring ponytail. Now I start by attaching the top comb into the top of my ponytail, and then the bottom comb to the bottom of my bun, and then I pull the drawstring, and it makes the ponytail basically cover up my whole entire bun. Once you get the drawstring tight, you just wrap it around the ponytail and then bobby pin it in. I did take a piece of hair from the side, but I decided to go back and take a piece of hair from the bottom. That way you couldn't really tell that I pulled it from the ponytail, and just wrapped it around so you couldn't really see the string. Because we don't want people to know that we got on a fake ponytail. I mean, they gonna know, but they ain't gonna know. You know what I'm saying? You gotta mask it up. But once that's finished up, I go in, do my little edges with my Style Factor Edge Booster, get it popping, do my little swirls and twirls, and yeah. The way you do your edges is really up to you, but after I finished my edges, that was pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's mine, I bought it, it's mine.